How you doing, guys? We're back with another video, and this time we have the Acer 221Q game monitor. Today I have my son to help me out here, and right there you can see he's pulling out part of the stand here, or the mount that goes in the back of the screen. Alright guys, next part of it is the base of the stand here, and I like the shape of it. It's pretty cool looking, and you can actually tilt your screen forward a little bit with that, and it's pretty cool. Next out, as you see, it's a standard VGA connector for your monitor. Alright, let's pull this puppy out. Alright, be careful there, bud. Okay, there should be a manual in here. Let's just check this out. Okay, easy does it, bud. Alright, let's go inside. And there it is, the manual with a 3.5mm jack. For sound, obviously. Yes indeed. Can't forget the power cord. Here you go. Put that there for now. Awesome. Alright, anything else in there, bud? No, just more foam. Alright. Time to take the screen out of this protective layer now. Okay, let's see how she looks. Also like to mention, this one is a 21.5-inch screen. Alright, let's take the rest of the cover off here. It looks really nice. As you can see, there's all the plastic covers on the edges and the bezels here. Alright, in the back here, guys, you have your power hookup right here. You have your stand hookup as well. You have the HDMI, your VGA standard, and 3.5mm hookups. Alright, stand is connected to the monitor. Yes, nice going there, bud. It's sweet, satisfying taking off the plastic covering. Yeah, so there's some all around the casing here, or the bezels, and also on the stand. Alright, time to hook it up. Alright, so HDMI first. A little bit of trouble with my son here, in the wrong way, yeah. Alright, now we're going to put in the power cord. Yeah. Alright, bud, let's get it done. Let's see if you can get it in the first shot here. You have it? Got her. Alright. First power up. Yes, perfect. Lights up like a charm. Alright, PS4 is hooked up. This is a 75 Hertz screen. Let's see how the resolution looks like. Wow, it's very nice. My camera doesn't do justice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. First time with my son. Really fun, guys. Alright, product details will be below in the description. I hope you like the channel. I know I'm still learning, guys. So have a good day. Thumbs up, thumb down, and subscriptions. All good.